So I got zip ties on here now.
Wow. Look at that, it's pretty. That's prettier than any of them I've seen. Out of focus. But now, can you try to focus that? Is there any way to...
Wow.
Wow.
It's a tricky thing when they keep moving, though.
It is moving, of course, because it's stars. Stars move. Lost it. Where did it go? There it is.
Now that I know which way it's going, it'll eventually come up to me if I'm above it, you know?
Yeah, as everything's rotating.
That's the tricky thing, though. It was when you get
on it, it's moving quite fast.
You're zoomed in on it so much that... So I don't have to go full zoom, potentially.
Oh, I think it's right there.
So I can back off just a little bit and hold on to it longer.
Hey, look how it's moving across. It's an odd shape. It even looks like that to the naked eye. It looks, you know, tall. I can see something on top of the bright light. My one eye. That is so amazing. It's moving up that direction.
Mm-hmm.
So it's rotating around that way. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, so the dipper's going, goes toward the spout around Polaris. There it is.
It's tricky once you get on it.
You know, it's amazing. It's smaller in the picture than it is with the naked eye right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, when you start zooming in, you would think if you put it right dead center in your camera, when you zoom in, it would stay there.
Well, it's moving.
Yeah.
It'll come join us soon.
Oh, there it goes. That looks like you got on it.
Yeah, I'm not all the way zoomed. If I don't zoom in all the way, then we can stay on it longer.
But look how far it's moved already.
Yeah.
See, it's heading up your screen that direction. Did I do that?
Well, it's because you got in front of the sensor like it thinks your eye's there.
Oh. I did it. Oh, it's over there. It's over here.
Oh, yeah.
It's right there. Yeah.
So it doesn't affect the recording at all.
That is beautiful.
Something else.
Yeah.
For some reason, it doesn't seem to look as good once I have it on my laptop as it does on the camera. It looks like,
why?
I don't know. It may be that it would look better on another computer. My computer only does up to 720.
But you know, even though it's not focused in, it is sure jumping around, isn't it?
Well, and like one gal said, you know, you can...
It's got to be some frequencies coming off of it to make it do that. I mean, it just can't be the atmosphere because the star right next to it isn't doing anything like it.
Well, maybe they're not what they tell us they are.
Yeah, I think that angel's singing. I want to take a look at Venus again. Oh man, it's really bright. That would be a good shot right over the top of the house. It's just solid white. I could turn the lights off in the